CATIA V5 small handles, arrows, on off activation on tool palettes. So CATIA Imagine Shape. So 2 days ago I received this comment from Amar. Could you do the complete tutorial on Imagine Shape? So I'm gonna focus now on various small videos and also some product design for Imagine Shape. I see that Amar hasn't subscribed. I also would like to thank to those that have recently subscribed. So currently there are 600 subscribers. So we see the subscription date over here. I can filter it. So I would like to thank to all of those people who recently subscribed. So for October we have five users that decided to subscribe. If you also find this video useful and if you have some questions regarding any of the software that are displayed on my channel, please feel free to comment and I will make time to prepare a video. So recently I started to get back to CATIA Imagine Shape, but I still prefer Fusion. But this was one of the most challenging stuff. So in Imagine Shape, so starting from a default file, I will go to mechanical design, shape, Imagine Shape. And for example, I will define a box and I will do some face cutting on it to better highlight that. So the problem that I have experienced with various users that work on a shared computer. So this is a cube subdivided, and if I will press space to go to edit mode, so it's basically this one, modification as it is called in CATIA. I will also press F4, and F4 allows me to swap the camera. So for example, maybe I want to go to the front view. After that I will hit space again, and here is a problem. So by default CATIA, the tool palette, should have these let's say checks, but on some shared computer this handle on off has been clicked off, and after that it's harder to work in Imagine Shape. So for example, if I will grab those 2 vertices and also the one on the back, so in total there will be 4, I have the possibility with the translate tool to move them around. We see over here there are also, if I'm gonna hold down move and control key, it will snap like this from 5 to 5 millimeters, and on the z-axis again from 5 to 5 millimeters. So keep in mind that you can also use those snapping. Usually it's not that let's say useful, but for example, if I'm way zoom out from my object, now if I will hold down the zoom, the software will snap from a 5 to 5 millimeter incremental value. But if I'm gonna zoom in and I will have the same those 4 vertices selected, it will go like this, 0.15. But so depending on the zoom range, usually if you keep it like this, it should be something like 1 millimeter. So over here is 5, over here should be 1 millimeter. Okay, so keep in mind that the incremental let's say value is adjusted depending on the zooming. It's a bit let's say tricky and clunky, but you can maybe find that useful. So the problem on shared computers, usually this handle on off is checked. So that means that if I will try to do the same, I will need to be patient and move my mouse on that arrow, wait until it will highlight, and only after that have it manipulate. So this can become quite challenging if you are working on a complex model. So keep in mind that this is the handle on off let's say option, and by default I recommend you to have the the handle large, so you can easily grab those points and manipulate them. Okay, so I see that this video already has 5 minutes. If you find this video, let's say, useful, please feel free to subscribe, and also don't be shy if you have any questions, just like Amar had. So he asked for a complete tutorial on Imagine Shape. I will focus in the following, let's say, 2 months on Imagine Shape, to have various videos just like this posted. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video if you want to learn some more about, let's say, either CATIA. After that I will transition to maybe 3ds Max and stuff like that. So that's why I named the channel 3D Comparison, because I will want to test various software, and let's say that's the main goal of my channel. Okay, that's it. Bye.